welcome to the Queen's Beauty Room. You already know who it is. It's your girl Liz. So today I decided to do an emerald type look. As you see, we got some greens, some golds, and this lip. I love this lip. So I got a new palette. I'll give you a hint. It's from the brand Lime Crime. So in the past I brought their lippies and I really love them, but I wanted to give their eyeshadows a try, so I brought something that was on sale. Had to test the waters out, but I really loved it. So I'll definitely be buying more palettes in the future. But let's get in the tutorial. Alright, to start off with my brows, I'm going to be using my small angled brush. And I'll be going in with my Jaclyn Hill Dream Colors palette. I'm going to be using Central Park, which is this color, which is this color right here. Next, I'll be going in with my NARS Radiant Concealer in Amande to conceal my brow. I'll be using my Anastasia Clear Brow Gel to define my brows. To blend my concealer in, I'll be using my Crown Brown Blender brush. I don't remember what number it is, it's rubbed off, but it'll be in the description box below. Next, I'll be using my Urban Decay Primer Potion in Honey, and I'll be blending that in with my finger. Next, I'll be using my S021 Deluxe Blending Fluff from Crown Brush, and I'll be going back in with my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'll be using this red called Jax in my crease. Next, I'll be using my E.L.F blending brush, and I'll be going back in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'll be using Roxanne right above Jax, and I'll be blending that in all together with the same brush. Next, I'll be going in with my Lime Crime Holidays Venus XS palette. I'm going to be using Mistletoe all over the lid using my Wet n Wild flat eyeshadow brush. Next, I'll be using my Urban Decay brush. I don't remember which palette I got it from, but I'll be using this brush to blend the holidays, the green, into the red. Next, I'll be using my LA Girl Perfect Precision Lip Liner in Nude, and I'll be using that on my waterline. Next, I'll be using my Wet n Wild Megaliner Liquid Eyeliner in black, and I'm just going to be creating a wing. We're not going to go all the way in today, just like a quarter of the way. Next, I'll be using my Chique Pro Spot Concealer Brush, and I'll be using my Black Opal True Color Pore Perfecting Liquid Foundation in Black Walnut, and I'll be using that to conceal the top of my eyebrows. And I'll be using that for any dark spots that I have on my face that won't cover up with the powder foundation. Next, I'll be going in with my True Complexions contour palette in medium to dark, and I'll be using Sculpt all over my face using my Avon face powder brush. Next, using my Chique Pro Spot Concealer Brush and my Wet n Wild foundation brush, I'm going to be going in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in 350, and I'm going to be using that to highlight my chin, upper lip, bridge of my nose, forehead, and under my eyes. And this is in 350. Next, using my Royal and Langnickel Smokey Eye brush, I'm going to be going back in the Lime Crime Venus XS Holidays palette, and I'm going to be using Jolly, which is this color right here, to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. Now, to elongate my inner corners, I'll be using my Ruby Kisses liquid eyeliner in white, and I'll be using my Wet n Wild Megaliner liquid eyeliner in black. First, I'll be using the black to elongate it, then I'll be using the white to go underneath the elongation, so to speak. Next, I'll be using my Anastasia Cream Contour Kit in Deep, and I'll be using Rich Earth, which is this color it's this color right here. And I'll be using my E.L.F small angled brush, and I'll just be contouring my nose. And to blend it in, I'll be using my Face One contour brush. Next, I'll be using my Milani Translucent Banana Setting Powder, and I'll be using my Sephora powder brush to set my face. Next, I'll be using my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray in Honey to finish setting my face. Next, I'll be using my Black Radiance Artesian Color Baked Brush in Toasted Almond, and I'll be using my Sephora Angled Blush Brush. For a highlighter, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Aurora, and I'll be using Helix with my E.L.F highlighting brush. To highlight my nose, I'll be using my Naked 2 Urban Decay palette brush. For mascara, I'll be using my Milk Kush mascara. And for lashes, I'll be using my Kiss INV 3D collection in 104. And lastly, for lips, I'm going to be using my Pat McGrath Mini Matte Trans Lipstick in Flesh 3. Alright guys, so this is the finishing look. As you can see, it's nice, it's cute, it's simple, it's light. It's real light. But I like the palette. Like, you can do a ton of looks with the colors. And it's really fun. I definitely will be checking out the original Venus palette because I think I really want to get that. But yeah, so don't forget to add me on Instagram at ElizabethRainBeauty. Email me at info.elizabethrain@gmail.com. Like, subscribe, comment, share, do it all with the video. Y'all already know the drill. But thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.